let's use the Gemini API to create our own choose your own adventure game. First, we're going to want to grab a new Gemini API key. Once we have that, let's quickly write our front-end code. I'm using React here and just setting up some components for the chat and input. Here's what that looks like. We have the input box on the bottom, and then the chat takes up the rest of the screen. Now we'll use Gemini to come up with a story, so let's hook up the API. We're going to create a new AI with the Gemini Pro model. We want to do a multi-turn conversation, so Gemini Nano would be too simple for this task. Then we need to come up with a creative prompt that returns us data that is usable and parsable. Now we create a use effect that will run when the component is mounted that will start the chat with a certain number of tokens. And then I'm going to set this chat in our state so that we can use it every time we send a message. If we add this code, now when we load in, we have a story already set up for us. Now let's grab the user input and then the result from the AI and display both. And there you have it, a working choose your own adventure game that you built yourself using the Gemini API. Grab your API key in the AI Studio and get started with your own creative storytelling app or text-based game. The code is linked below.